Is Elon Musk actually trying to build a 100 million square foot chip factory in Texas? Yes, he is, and honestly, the sheer scale of this project is completely mind-blowing. I was genuinely stunned when I saw the actual specs for this thing. It is called Terafab, and it is said to become the largest single building on the face of the planet. We are talking about a $17 billion mega facility in Grimes County, Texas, just for the first phase. That is insane. Seriously, why is he doing this? Because, according to Musk, the entire global chip supply chain is nowhere near big enough for where Tesla and SpaceX are heading. He claims their demand for AI compute is going to top 1 terawatt per year. That is more computing power than all current global semiconductor manufacturing produces combined. Think about that for a second. So instead of waiting around for outside suppliers to catch up, he is building his own vertically integrated giant. Everything is happening under one massive roof. Chip design, silicon fabrication, memory packaging and testing. They even brought in Intel to help bring advanced nanometer manufacturing technology into the mix. These chips are going straight into Optimus humanoid robots, self-driving cybercabs, and even SpaceX satellites designed for orbital data centers. It sounds like pure science fiction. But with construction already getting underway in Texas, this is quickly becoming real life. Critics are questioning whether anyone can actually pull off a project this absurdly ambitious. Semiconductor manufacturing is notoriously brutal and ridiculously hard to scale. But if there is one thing we have learned about Elon over the years, it is that he loves taking on impossible engineering bets. Whether this turns out to be a massive triumph or a catastrophic money pit, it is going to rewrite the rules of technology forever. What do you think about Terafab? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.